Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the Collins job over in St. Augustine, Florida. Very fun job for a driveway. Did some Glacier Mega. Got a really cool autumn blend border. Never did this color combination before. Very different. Did it all the way around, all sides. While we were doing the job, we noticed that the culvert was bad, so we were going to do a slip culvert, go inside the other culvert, and we just decided to pop it up and put a brand new culvert in because we got great customers like Mr. Collins right here. So what would you rate this job?
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
11 out of 10 if I could do it.
11 out of 10 if you could do it. See there? When you take care of people, everything's happy. You get jobs like this, and quite blessed to have good customers. And we thank you for the business, as always. Let's go check the backyard out real quick. Let's go see what we got back here. Let's go check. All right. Hello there, Miss Biddies. So what we got back here, little fire pit area. There again, Mega Glacier. Notice the 6x9 border. Very important. No concrete up against the edge. All the other guys that call themselves paver contractors put that nasty concrete against the edge. That's something we do not do. Ever. You'll never see that. Got a beautiful tumbled caps on the fire pit. And this kind of sums up the job. Are you having fun with it? I heard you had 2 fires in a row. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on. Happy late birthday. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. Always remember, we ain't faking, we're cooking with bacon.